Introducing the Redmi Note 10T powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 700 processor with 5G support in chromium white. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. The device allows for dual SIM functionality. The Redmi Note 10T sports a 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS dot display with a 90Hz adaptive refresh rate and 2400 by 1080 resolution. It's also equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. This device features a 48 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels triple AI vision powered rear camera and an 8 megapixels front camera. The phone uses the MIUI 12 that is based on the Android 11 operating system. It features a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. It comes with an 18-watt fast charger. The handset measures 16.2 by 0.9 by 7.5 centimeters and weighs 190 grams. The box includes a handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and pre-applied screen protector. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.